How to leave a circle on Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can leave a circle on Life360, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to leave a circle on Life360, first of all open the Life360 app, and from the very top just make sure that this is the correct Life360 circle that you would like to leave. Then again from the top left just tap on this little gear icon that you can find. Then again you'll find one of the option here that says circle management. Just go to circle management. From there, if you look at the bottom again, you'll find one more option that says leave circle. So tap on leave circle, then it'll ask you for a confirmation if you would like to leave that circle. So if you want to, then just tap the yes option, and this way you can leave a circle on Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.